Suzhou, often referred to as the Venice of the East, is a captivating city located in the eastern part of China, just a short train ride away from bustling Shanghai. Renowned for its exquisite classical gardens, picturesque water towns, rich history, and vibrant cultural heritage, Suzhou is a must-visit destination for travelers seeking an authentic Chinese experience. One of the foremost attractions in Suzhou is its UNESCO World Heritage-listed classical gardens, which exemplify the ancient Chinese art of garden design. The humble administrator's garden, dating back to the Ming dynasty, is an enchanting oasis with meandering paths, intricate pavilions, and serene lotus ponds. The lingering garden, another gem, is celebrated for its meticulous landscaping, rock formations, and poetic ambience. Other notable gardens include the Master of the Nets Garden and the Lion Grove Garden, each offering a unique glimpse into China's horticultural history. Suzhou's historic water towns, such as Zhouzhuang, Tengli, and Xitang, transport visitors back in time to the Ming and Qing dynasties. These charming canal-side villages are adorned with ancient stone bridges, traditional courtyard houses, and meandering waterways, making them ideal spots for leisurely boat rides and tranquil strolls. The city's rich cultural heritage is showcased at the Suzhou Museum, designed by the world-renowned architect I.M. Pei, which houses an impressive collection of artifacts, art, and historical relics. For a deeper understanding of Suzhou's silk industry, the Suzhou Silk Museum offers a fascinating journey through the history of silk production and weaving techniques. Cultural enthusiasts will also appreciate Suzhou's thriving arts scene, which includes kunku opera performances, traditional Suzhou embroidery workshops, and calligraphy classes. The city is renowned for its elegant silk garments, intricate embroidery, and masterful silk tapestries, making it an excellent place to indulge in some shopping for unique souvenirs. Food aficionados will find Suzhou equally enticing, with its diverse culinary offerings. Local specialties such as Suzhou-style noodles, pan-fried dumplings, and sweet lotus root soup provide a delectable taste of the region's flavors. For an authentic dining experience, the ancient tea houses that line Suzhou's canals are a perfect spot to savor Chinese tea and snacks while enjoying the picturesque surroundings. Suzhou's vibrant cultural calendar also includes the Suzhou Silk Festival and the Suzhou Pingtan Festival, which showcase the city's cultural and artistic traditions. These events are ideal opportunities to immerse yourself in local customs and festivities. Exploring the ancient streets of Suzhou's old town, wandering along its tranquil canals, and taking in the harmonious blend of ancient and modern elements in this city is an unforgettable experience. Whether you're captivated by its timeless gardens, enchanted by its water towns, or simply intrigued by its cultural heritage, Suzhou is a destination that will leave a lasting impression on every traveler.